Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're matching the experience of a familiar vacation treat without cheating on our health goals with a protein pina colada recipe. It's packed with nutrients, protein, and has no added sugars if you choose the right ingredients. Best of all, it only requires 4 ingredients and comes together quickly in under 5 minutes. Here's how to make it. Start with your blender jar where you will add all of your ingredients in. Add half a cup of unsweetened coconut water. You can use coconut milk if you like as well. Add 1 scoop of protein powder. I'm using a vanilla whey protein powder here. Add 1 large banana. It helps if you peel it first, then freeze the pieces. Finally, add 1 cup of frozen pineapple. Attach your lid and place your blender jar on the base of your blender. Power on your blender and blend everything together until it's smooth and combined, and you're set to enjoy those island vibes with your protein pina colada smoothie. As you saw, it barely takes any time or effort to put together. Thanks to the frozen pineapple and banana, it comes out thick and creamy as well. With how delicious and easy it is to make, this just might become your new favorite protein smoothie to make. If you enjoyed the recipe, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Comment if you have any questions or if you intend to make this recipe. Thank you all for the support, and I hope you look forward to the next video.